If you're new to free-range calendars, it can seem a little weird. So the basic layout is a great way to get started. It's similar to a traditional layout. The fridge is a great metal surface for the calendar, and it's easy to set the next month as you go. I always start by placing the days of the week first. Then I add the days underneath. In this example, the month starts on a Wednesday. And then here's what I like to do. At the end of each day, I move the current tile to the end. I can always tell what day it is by looking at the current tile on the top row. In this case, it's the 2nd. I shift the tile over every day, and then I get to the end of the month. The new month is set and ready to go.
Kosejitsu.